Murder on videotape.
Do they know me? I don't know what you're talking about. You have something they want. Tell them to stop it now.
Oh, listen, I'm not going to sit in Congress and pass a law that is a surveillance society.
Most powerful nation on earth, and therefore the most hated. And you and I know in the past 12 months.
정보국에서는 국가 위기를 빌미로 개인의 감청 및 실시간 감시법안을 통과시키려고 합니다. 하원의원은 기본권 침해로 이를 반대하죠.
Brill's note said that this is the videotape that you need to convince Pantera with.
So when do I get to meet him? Brill.
둘은 옛 연인입니다.
Brill talks to me, I talk to you. The way it works.
레이첼은 해킹 브로커입니다.
$10,000. And I'm also the one.
That's you. That ain't me.
D는 조직에서 괴롭히는 노동자를 변호하고 있습니다.
That's not you.
That ain't me.
Because you know the conditions of your paroles. Any contact with any union official, I mean, you'd be headed back to prison for 15, 20 years.
I know that. I want to know who made that videotape, but I want to know in a week.
조직은 이미 FBI의 감시를 받고 있죠.
I understand there was a history of heart problem. We'll have more details. I've suffered a heart attack as the story develops.
DC tags, 8 kilo.
Dick, please do not give me optimistic numbers.
We may have a problem out at the lake. It contains a motion-activated digital video camera. It was aimed directly at the boat ramp across the lake.
We need 2 texts and call Kramer to get us some ex-military cutouts. Call the training up and get that videotape. Get a wire on our bird watcher.
You got it.
Kramer sent us.
Oh, nice haircut.
30 months in a federal penitentiary in Marion.
I've got the Phil Hammersley murder on videotape. Hammersley was professionally wasted.
How fast can you get that tape over here? I'm making a copy right now.
I need some a Christmas present.
So you want some lingerie for your wife?
Yes, I would. Zavitz, Daniel Zavitz. It's me, Bobby Dean. We were at Georgetown together. You okay?
Help me.
Yeah, this is Becky. Becky, say hi.
Target down on Connecticut Avenue.
What happened?
A guy on a bike got creamed.
Zavitz is dead, and so is Lenny, the guy from the paper. We found the original in Zavitz's apartment.
There was a copy?
I think so, sir. But there was a private sector contact. Robert Dean, he's a D.C. labor lawyer.
Find out what Dean knows.
Yes, sir.
Rachel F. for you-know-what banks. They were at Georgetown together. Same address, same phone number. Oh, here we go.
What?
Dean, 7 cash withdrawals. Miss Banks makes large cash deposits of her own within a day or two. Exactly 15% of the amount Dean withdrew.
Hello, Mr. Dean. Detective Bingham. I'm Pratt. We're with DC Metro. We have reason to believe that Mr. Zavitz may have passed sensitive materials to you.
Daniel Zavitz did not give me anything.
Whatever it is, I don't have it.
Could we look at them?
Good night, gentlemen.
Good night, Mr. Dean.
There's nothing here.
Oh, girl, credibility. It's the only currency that means anything on this kind of playing field. I want people to know he's lying before they hear what he says. So let's get into his life. And he's definitely vulnerable on Rachel Banks. I want to use every means possible to get what we need.
딘이 협조하지 않자 그의 인생을 망가뜨려 믿을 수 없는 사람으로 만들어버리려고 합니다. 도청 장치를 심어놓고 때들이 장난인 것처럼 꾸며놓습니다.
Hey, control. They are home.
Oh my God.
그의 모든 소지품에 위치 추적기를 심어놓습니다.
We have a winner.
Perfect. We have you. Bobbed it, Mr. Dean.
불륜을 저지르고 조직 폭력에 가담하여 돈을 받는 파렴치한으로 만들어버립니다.
Are you firing me?
I think you just fired yourself.
How could you let me find out like this?
She's the contact for the investigator. I'm asking you to please just trust me.
I want you to leave.
What do you need to think about? I'm telling you.
Just go, Bobby, go.
I'd like to have a room for the evening, please.
I'm sorry, sir. This card was declined. It didn't go through.
Rachel, I need to talk to you. Meet me tomorrow at 11 a.m.
I'm gonna fix this.
Tell me about Brill.
And he is the key to this.
When I need to reach Brill, I chalk the mailbox outside my house. 3 p.m. ferry to Gibson Island. It's behind seat 32. I leave something. He's not gonna like you tracking him down.
I'm sorry it took so long. I had to make sure you weren't being followed.
Bro,
It's a bug sweep.
get in the back.
What did he give you?
Nothing. He didn't give me anything.
If you bullshit me, I can't help you.
He didn't give me anything, nothing.
I need help.
I thought you worked alone.
Stay exactly where you are. Get on the fucking elevator.
Their signals are completely dead. Something is wrong here.
No contact. You broke the rules. Who are you working for? It's about me. Am I a target here? Do they know me?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You're either very smart or incredibly stupid.
What's all this about, Pintero?
You think the mob uses devices like this? In your phone was a GPS sat tracker. It's like a low jack, only 2 generations better than what the police have.
Why are they after me?
I don't know and I don't want to know. Get rid of your clothes, all of them.
And then what am I supposed to do?
Nothing. Get rid of your watch. Stay off the phone. You have something they want. Stay away from me. You stay away from Rachel. You come near either one of us, I'm gonna kill you. Over.
All right, we have a tracer in the stairwell on 20, traveling down. He's out of the stairwell on 17. Go to 17.
Hi, I'm from Hotel Hospitality and Evaluation.
We got him. Bruce Jones.
Mr. Dean,
Oh, shit. Door closed.
Krug! Balcony! We got him. He's dropped to the 16th floor. He jumped to 15. Go to 15. Grab his clothes. Let's go. DC Metro, our partner's trapped in... We got one man trapped and posse down. Get all these people! Hey, go back, trapped in...
Stop the ambulance.
Tell him to stop it now!
We lost him, we lost him.
Normally I wouldn't do this.
Georgie?
The house is bugged. Everything you say in there, they can hear and maybe even see. Give me some money. I need some clothes. Put it away. Tell Maria we need her car. All right, drive a little faster. I want to catch them before they get to school.
Get in the car, please.
What's up, fellas? No, turn around. Sit down. You remember those Christmas presents? But I need it, guys.
We have it.
레이첼의 집에 찾아가지만 이미 그는 죽어 있었고 딘이 살해한 것처럼 꾸며져 있었습니다.
Open the door. Open the door.
Give me the toy.
The surveillance footage is coming in right now from Pratt.
Pratt. There they are. There it is. Let's go in there and get them.
그는 전직 NSA의 요원이었고 레이첼 아버지의 동료였습니다. 작전 중 레이첼의 아버지는 죽고 국가는 그들을 모른 채 할 수밖에 없었고 그 후 숨어 지내며 레이첼을 돌보아주고 있었던 것입니다.
Take that. I told you no calls. When's the last time you contacted somebody you knew?
When we stopped for food.
Get the hell out of there!
I blew up the building because you made a phone call! Go over now! Fuel line must be broken! Get it out! Where's the disc? No! What do we do? I'm leaving. The disc is gone. We've got nothing. It's over.
We capture their weapons and then you use them against them the next time.
We reprogram our phone with Congressman Albert.
Hi, sweetie. We just landed.
일부러 허술하게 설치합니다. 알버트 의원은 자신의 숙소에서 NSA 장비들이 발견되었으니 NSA가 자신을 감시하는 적이라고 생각하겠죠.
Could you send somebody up to my room, please?
The security expert tells me it's like transmit or whatever the hell that. Because I want to know who in the hell put it there. Hi there. Hey.
Hola.
Con la electricidad?
On TV!
These are the ones they wanted us to find.
There's $140,000 here. I have no idea where it came from.
2 separate $70,000 deposits on the same day.
Yeah. By the way, who is Krista?
I want the entire history of this device. I want to know who authorized its use. It got into Congressman Albert's.
의원을 도청하는 것은 미국에서 큰 범죄입니다. 닉슨 대통령이 이 일로 사임한 적이 있죠.
Be at the corner of Iowa and 3rd at 3 o'clock.
I'll be there at 4.
We have to get a confession out of this. Get it on tape and we have to get it fast.
비디오 테이프가 없으니 해머슬리 의원과 레이첼을 살해했다는 자백을 받으려고 합니다.
What's on it?
Shows the death of Congressman Hammersley.
How much you want for it?
$1.8 million.
10-year-olds go on the net. Power.
You shouldn't be there, Robert, but if you are, get out. Get out now, Robert.
조지 오웰의 소설 1984를 모티브로 거장 토니 스콧 감독이 만들어낸 25년 지난 영화라고는 믿기 어려운 수작입니다. 윌 스미스, 진 해크만이 함께 출연했다는 것만으로도 믿고 볼 수 있는 추천작입니다. 진 해크만이 출연한다는 말에 윌 스미스는 자신의 출연료를 깎아가며 출연하겠다고 했던 영화입니다. 미국인들이 휴대폰 쓰기가 두려워졌다고 말한 두 작품이 있는데요. 그중 하나가 미드 24, 다른 하나가 바로 이 작품입니다. 저렇게까지 추적이 가능할까 싶은 현실일지 과장일지 모르는 도청과 감시 추적 시스템 탓이었겠죠. 들리는 소문으로는 CIA에 근무하는 분이 미국 정보력에 대해 이렇게 이야기했다고 합니다. 과장 조금 보태면 김정은이 오늘 본 대변색도 알 수 있다. 그게 벌써 10년 전이네요. 우리나라 국가인권위원회에 따르면 수도권 거주 시민은 일평균 83.1회 CCTV에 노출된다고 하니 이미 영화 속 세상에서 우리가 살고 있는지 모르겠습니다. 말이 필요 없는 영화 Enemy of the State 본편으로 감상하시며 즐거운 시간 보내세요. 구독 버튼을 눌러주시면 제 기분이 좋아집니다. 오늘 하루도 행복하세요.